Hi. As you know, NetAtmo Weather Station don't have any display unit. In this video I would like to show you how I made some. The first feature I would like to show is how this display unit is powered up. It's activated by the sound, so when you are not at home or you are quiet, the display unit itself shut the display off. I will now show you how display unit is activated by sound. As you can see, I activated the display by my fingers. On the display you can see some graph and some numbers. On this screen it's CO2 levels in my 2 rooms. The graph shows 12 hours back. In the middle, the number in the middle is temperature outside, which is on every screen. Because I really need to know the outside temperature every time I look at the screen. The screen is changing every 70 seconds, and the information on the screen change because on every screen is different measurements. As you can see, it's very good visible. Now I'm about 4 meters far away. The screen is big enough, it's 9-inch, full HD resolution. The device itself is Pipo X9. On this screen, it's still the same screen. I deactivated the changes, so you can see I can activate the changes. I will activate it back, and I will do a change after 70 seconds. The device itself is Pipo X9. It's a hybrid between tablet and PC. It have a touch screen. It have no battery, so there is no problem with overheating, as it's always plug in the power source. For the sound activation I had to buy a USB microphone, because the device itself don't have any functional microphone inside. Under this screen there is a Windows 10. I will show you the next after I finish showing the screens. It should change every second now. Come on, yes. Now the screen changed, and there is another graph. It's temperature in my 2 rooms I'm measuring, and in the middle is outside, as on the screen before. Every information on the screen is very adjustable. It's very customizable. I'm using the Grafana software, which is free. It's using database. As you could see, the temperature changed from something to 24, and the color of the number changed. It's also customizable when you want to change the color and to what color. The graphs built depends on the maximum and minimum number, so it's always on all the screen. I don't know if you understand, that doesn't matter. On this last graph there is a temperature outside in the last 96 hours. It's 4 days back, so you can see 4 days back how temperature changed. This thing can be changed very easy, as the Grafana software is very customizable. I will show you. I will turn off the automatic changes of the tabs. Every this measurement is separate tab of Grafana dashboard. As you can see, dashboards or graphs can be very can be very customized. I will change. Oh, that's not here. That's not here. I will change the from last 96 hours display to something else, so you can see the customization. I have a separate time range here. I can add, or I can put there 24 hours. 24 hours, so it will change the graph dramatically. It's now displaying last 24 hours of temperature outside. When I scroll down and go full screen, I have the numbers. I have 24 hours graph, and so on. If you want more, you can change. You can change everything, color, the line. I can add here. I put 224 hours. I don't know how much days it is, but it will be nice. It will be nice graph. Okay, come on. Full screen. Scroll down to hide some things I don't want to watch. Now I have the graph of 224 hours back of outside temperature. It's really very customizable. I show you the Grafana. It's Grafana software, as I said. I don't know if someone know, but it's very cool. Grafana. I don't know how to show the Grafana logo or something like that. Ah, it's Grafana. Cancel. How to get data to Grafana? Grafana using InfluxDB. In my case, InfluxDB is also free database software, and to get data to InfluxDB, I'm using Domotics software, which is also free software. I will make some different video showing how get data to Domotics from NetAtmo server, and how to push data to InfluxDB. I hope someone else will like this pretty cool display unit I made, because I like it very much. It's very cool. Everyone who's coming to my room is watching, and they are amazed. So okay, thank you. And if you have some questions, Don't be afraid to ask. Bye.